Friday, everybody. It's a beautiful day in Ajijic. Just at our last day at open house here in La Floresta, just on the south side of the carretera. This house, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom homes ×2 on the property. The exterior has been fully repainted. We've updated all the colors, gone with the beiges and the blacks for all the black gates and doorways and things like that. But this is a 2-home property with a center courtyard pool to share. Fantastic opportunity for Airbnb opportunity for rent one, live in one, or rent both as 2 separate homes. Sorry, there's a dump truck in the background here. Or rent them collectively as a 4-bedroom house. Fantastic location, about a 3-minute walk to Walmart. So your guests do not need to have a car if they're renting here, whether it's short-term or long-term. But let's have a quick look at what we've done to the house. So the whole exterior, we've gone with a beige and black theme on the front. So all the front gates have all been repainted. All the exterior plaster has been fixed. All the exterior paint has been done. So those are your exterior walls and gates. You've got 2-car parking here on the outside of the gates. And I'm just going to walk through. I left the gates closed today. Here's your main entrance coming inside. And you've got a small little courtyard here with 2 more parking on the inside. And you'll see all the paint on the exterior and plasterwork has all been repainted. Everything's beige and accented blue with black trim. So this comes into your first 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home here. And then you've got a center courtyard that comes down the side of the house to an open concept fountain and little dipping pool. So this house has its own back patio, and then you've got a center courtyard fountain with dipping pool, and then your second home is in the back here. Each house has its own solar system. The whole house is solar paneled, as you can see on the roof here. So you're at basically a 0 balance for hydro every month. Each house has its own solar water heater, and obviously tankless water heater on each of the units. Priced at $495. We're open to offers. Seller is looking to obviously sell in the short term. If you're interested in coming, have a look. Details will be in the description, and I'm here till 3 o'clock today. And if you're looking for any other homes, please let us know. BuysellAjijic.com.